Okay, let's take a look now. We've got our drainage network laid out and we've validated our layout. Let's take a look at the computations. One of the greatest tools for computations is the scenario manager, and we've got two scenarios set up. We're going to use this one here to begin with. And so in a nutshell, the scenario manager defines all your various inputs for calculating the drainage network, for example, the runoff, in ready-to-use form in these two scenarios. And so I'm just going to jump in. I'm going to compute the scenario. So the computations are complete. We've got some new warnings have come up. Okay, so now let's take a look and review our finished design. I'm going to use Project Explorer in the Utility Model tab, and we'll see listed here in our utility data all the different all the different utility projects that are available to us, and all the elements within, the features within those projects. And so, for example, I've got a number of right-click functions here. I can zoom into my head wall, for example, or catch basin of various sorts. Also on my nodes, then I've got a variety of different functions available on right-click. And my catchments, of course. But what we want to do now is we want to create a profile of our drainage network. So let's create a profile run, and I'm just going to pick the pipes to do this. So now we have a profile run, and under that profile then you'll see we've got each of our drainage networks. There's just one profile needed for this network. So if I right click here, then you see I've got a variety of different options available to me. So there is my quick profile, my analytic profile that's available to me. I can also open an engineering profile, which includes some labeling functions. I can also open an OpenRoads profile model. So if I change my exaggeration factor to 1 and I zoom in, you can see that on our OpenRoads profile we have the option of seeing a slice of our nodes that are part of the network. And if I select, and so here's our head wall, you'll notice I also have editing capabilities in the profile itself.